Hello traders, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, bonjour, bonsoir mes amis, guten Morgen, guten Tag, guten Abend. The title of the video is how to count Elliott wave under pressure. How to count Elliott wave under pressure. I want to share with you, specific tips that you can apply when you are counting waves under pressure, okay? Because sometimes, as you can see, very often traders are under pressure to perform, to make profits, to make excellent decisions. Day trading, as the market is moving, you are under pressure because you are competing with the high frequency trader, you are competing with the market makers, you are competing with the liquidity traders, you are competing with the momentum traders, you are competing with the hedge funds, the banks, the big institutions, you are competing with the speculators, the crazy speculators. So how do you count wave under pressure, Now, the easiest wave to recognize is the third Elliott wave, all right? It's the most profitable wave. It's also the easiest wave to spot. Why? Because it's the longest wave. Very often, it's the longest wave. Not always. Now, when we are talking about the Elliott wave theory, we are not talking about Elliott wave signs, okay? So you need to get that out of your head straight away. That is not Elliott wave signs. 1 + 1 = 2, 2 × 2 = 4. No, it's all about probability, okay? So you under pressure, you want to count wave. You can see the price went up all the way up here. Okay, you under pressure to count wave. The easiest way to recognize is the third Elliott wave. So you want to start with the easiest one. All right. So sometimes we start counting the wave as the market is moving. Okay, first wave, second wave, third wave, fourth wave, and fifth wave. Sometimes you start counting the wave after the price move for a while. So you did not start counting the wave from the beginning of the motive wave, but the price went up, for some time, and then you looking at it, you say, what do we have here? What have I got here? So you try to count the wave. So in that scenario, you are under pressure to count the wave, As a day trader, you are under pressure because you are competing with other traders, and you, even if you are trading for hedge fund, as a trader, if you are not performing, your supervisor will be looking at you, with some funny eyes. So you understand the language, So you under pressure, you want to count wave. Always start with the easiest one. The easiest one is the third Elliott wave. Looking at this move from here, so what I will do is I just put it, the price went up from here, all the way here. Yes, Yes or no? All right. So now you look, the price move up and down, up and down, up and down, up, So what is the longest one? Is this one here. So this is my primary wave count, So I start like this, I say, probably this is the third Elliott wave. All right, you understand? Now, I don't want to go deeply into this because we have talked about how to count wave. I will refer traders to our website, www.24elliottwaves.com. All right, I'm speaking like this to get your attention, to make you laugh a little bit, and also to smile, to cheer you up a bit, So this is what we do in London, make people laugh, So here we are, so I would say, probably this is the third Elliott wave. So I say, maybe this is the second wave. So I'll start with the easiest one, which is the obvious one, the longest one here. So I say probably this is the third Elliott wave, On this 10-minute chart. I'm on a 10-minute chart for the pound-dollar currency pair, which I'm trading this way big time, So now I'll say, probably this is the second wave. And then I will say, this is probably, the first wave. So I'm going to start putting color into them to make it more interesting, very interesting for myself, So first wave, make it turquoise, Second wave, make it red, all right? So the tips you want to remember is that you under pressure to count wave, all right? You want to, start with the easiest one, simplify things. If it's too complicated or if it's too complex, break it down into pieces. That's the easiest way. The most complicated subject or anything else in this life that is too complicated for you, break it down into pieces, Break it down into pieces and then take one piece at a time and look at it, okay, observe it, analyze it, and go step by step, okay? So I would say probably this is the fourth wave, all right? Time to give it also a bit of color, all right? I'll give it orange, this one. So this is my fourth wave, a bit low. And then again, I'll say, okay, this is the fifth wave. All right, but then I will say, what's all this? Okay, then I will say, okay, all right. You can see here that the price was going down. Looking on my left-hand side, you see, price was going down, okay? And, okay, if I stand this line like this, so we can say that, okay, we are out of the bearish channel, and then this one went up and pulled back, okay? But then the reason why, okay, you can see that, pay attention carefully here, because I want you to understand a few things. Now I'm going a little bit deeper now, which I shouldn't have done. You can see the low. Pay attention to the low. In a downtrend, we pay attention to the low. There was a low here. We have almost equal low here. Are you following me? This low here is almost equal to this one. So I may say that the blue line is what? Okay, the first psychological price level. Go to www.Joe channel, okay, YouTube channel, Joe channel, YouTube channel. You will know what is okay, the first psychological price level. So you may think, okay, probably this is the low before the last low. The last low is this one here. So here we are. So you can see that this one pulled back to retest the first, okay, psychological price level. Very often, the move that starts from the first psychological price level tend to be the first wave. All right? But for the purpose of this video, we are talking about how do we count Elliott wave under pressure. We don't want to, okay, go all over the place, all right? We want to go straight away to the point. You want to start with the easiest one, and the easiest way to recognize, okay, is the third Elliott wave. And as I've started here, you can see I start with the third Elliott wave. This is the purpose of this video. You're under pressure, you start with the easiest one first. All right? So don't put yourself under pressure again by starting with the most complex situation where you don't know where you are. And somebody asks you, have you found it yet? You say, no. What have you done so far? You say, I couldn't find anything. Start with the easiest one. Give yourself a good start. All right? Always give yourself a good start. The same thing when we are trading, day trading, swing trading, and the market open, your first trade, if it's a winning trade, is you have a big smile in your face. All right, but if the first trade is a losing trade, you start wondering whether this is a good day or not. It's nothing to do with the day itself. It's about, okay, the market and you. All right, so now you see that I have counted 5 waves, and it happened to be, okay, first wave, second wave, third wave, fourth wave, and a fifth wave. Now, very often, sometimes, I need to share this with you because you are my friend, all right? Sometimes you will see it. The market will move one day, okay, will go up the whole day, all right? And you will notice sometimes you see on Friday, all right? Especially after the major economy, you see price will go up for a long time. That will be the third area where the price will go up non-stop, no pullback almost. And then suddenly, during the Asia session or during the closing, the quiet period, for the stock market, the Asia session for the forex market, the price may be slowed down. You see, this is what we have today. During the Asia session, it was slowing down. This forming the fourth wave. As the London is open now at 3 a.m. Eastern Time, 8 a.m. London time, boom, the fifth wave is now completed. You see the last surge. Sometimes if it's in a downtrend, as soon as London is open, you may see the fifth wave underway, the last drop to the downside. And then now the price start going up. All right. Then I'm not saying that all the time the first move when London is open is the fifth wave, but sometimes we see that are happening all the time when the fourth wave will take place during the Asia session or during the quiet period, and the market is open. Boom, the price will move in one direction before changing direction. Here we are. This is the end of the fifth wave, which is the end of the multi-wave. What we need to do now, okay, you're under pressure. Now you receive a sell signal here, okay. What do you need to do? At the end of the fifth wave, you validate. So what do? You count fifth wave, don't just sell. Draw a line, okay, and now go to the higher time frame. Is this a resistance zone? You remember the message? You want to sell at a resistance zone, yes or no? So you draw the horizontal line. Okay, I counted 5 waves. So If the price goes above this red line, okay, I'm not going to force it, okay? So you may use a 10 pip, 15 pip, depending on your risk tolerance, and you are watching it, okay? Now let's do the verification to know whether this is a resistance zone, okay? All right. I'm going to go down to the daily chart, directly to the daily chart, okay? On the daily chart, this is my red line. Can you see it? You see my red line? Okay? All right? We want to analyze whether it's a resistance zone. Look, price went up all the way to the red line, pull back. Went back to the red line, pull back. Okay? On the daily chart, and then pull back again here. So it's a kind of a key level on the daily chart, this red line that we have seen on my 10-minute chart. I'm going to push my curiosity a bit higher to the weekly chart because I like things to be, okay? I like things that work. Look at my red line. Look at this candle here on the weekly chart. The high of this candle, as it hit it, boom, it went down. So it's quite good resistance level. Okay, here, again, resistance. Okay, this one, look at this candle also. Come to it, stop. This one also, the high. Look at all these candles stopping here. All right, and look at this one. Went up, that's the high again, stop there. And that's where we are now. And look at the last candle last week. All right, the opening price of this candle and the closing price of this one here. So the opening and the closing price, when you see that opening and closing price equal for two candles, all right, it's a key level. Doesn't matter which time frame you are on, it's a key level on that time frame. So after counting 5 waves on my 10-minute chart, okay, the price is at a resistance zone, all right? But look, there was some economy news that have forced other traders to push it back down because this morning I was not happy about what was happening here. I see traders buying trying to force the price up. I said, what are they doing? Please don't buy anymore. Okay, you can understand. All right. So I try to go into your mind. Okay, I know that some traders are eager to buy. The pound dollar is bullish to a certain degree. But yesterday, as I'm talking to you, because we are friends and I want to share some of the things that's going on in this messy market with you, yesterday, as I posted on our Facebook page and also our Google Plus, okay, Google Plus, on our Google Plus, go to our website, www.stochastic.com or 24elliottwave.com. Click on the Google Plus icon and it will give you that, send you directly to our Google Plus page. So if you go to stochasticmarkd.com website, you click on Google Plus web page, you will go to a specific Google Plus page that is relating to that website. If you go to 24elliottwave.com, okay, for Elliott Wave Trading, you click on our Google Plus icon on that website, you go to our Elliott Wave Trading Google Plus webpage. You go to www.dayprotrader.com, you click on our Google Plus icon, you bring you directly to our Google Plus, for dayprotraders.com. All right. So yes, last week I posted on our Facebook page and also on Google Plus that this pair has a high chance to go to the short-term equilibrium price level, which is the pink line here at 16722. But yesterday something has happened. Okay, let me show you. And I'm not happy about it. Okay, I'm not happy about it. But who cares? Okay, people don't give a damn about other traders. Okay, so but let's go to this, and I want to see. So the price went down. Okay, it went down beautifully, gorgeously. All right, so everybody was happy, but it stopped at 16757, and then changed direction, went back up quickly. I was not happy about it. Why I was not happy? Because there is a gorgeous, better support level below that level of 16757. The best support level is the long-term equilibrium price level for this currency pair. Okay? As the French say, pour l'amour de Dieu, for God's sake, all right? We will prefer it to go straight away to 167.22. But they stop it at 16757. That's what the market had decided, okay? But now, we have counted 5 waves, okay? And we are under pressure to perform, all right? How do we handle that? This is the purpose of this video, okay? So I share my story with you. Let's go back to the nitty-gritty of our discussion today. So you find yourself in a funny situation. You're under pressure to count wave. You're under pressure to know where at the first wave, second wave, third wave. But you can, once you find one of the wave, okay, you start putting them together, okay? So For instance, you think that this is the fourth wave, you say, okay, it's the fourth wave, so probably this is the fifth wave. You label them as it is, quickly, all right? Like a child would always say, it goes up, going down, went up, goes down. The children don't lie, okay? They will say, yeah, it goes down. If you say to them, no, it didn't go up, and they will say, yes, it goes down. So you say, it goes down, and then went up, okay? You do that. And then you look back again. How did any of these waves violated the wave principle? So which means, okay, wave 4 should not overlap, okay, the first wave shouldn't come all the way to the section of the first wave. The second wave should not cancel the first wave. You try to see whether, okay, everything aligned according to the wave principle. Is this a motive wave? Is it a corrective wave? You analyze the wave, and you don't use one single time frame, you use a different time frame to validate your wave count. As I said to you at the beginning of this video, I don't want the video to be too long. Okay, that's why, okay, I'm cutting it very, very short, okay? So I hope you have learned something from this video also about okay, how to count wave under pressure. You want to start with the easiest one, and the easiest wave is the third Elliott wave, the longest wave. But sometimes the third wave is not the longest wave. The first wave can be the longest wave, okay? The fifth wave also can be the longest wave. But the third wave should not be, okay, the shortest wave. That's the rules of the wave principle. So we know the impulsive wave are the first wave, third wave, and the fifth wave. These three waves can be extended. But comparing the first, the third, and the fifth wave, the third wave should not be the shortest wave, all right? So, but sometimes, as I say to you now, you're under pressure, you want to count wave. The easiest way to recognize or to see is the longest wave, as I've shown you here. But remember that the third wave is not always, okay, the longest wave. As you have finished to count the wave under pressure, now you want to see whether the wave count, okay, your wave count, okay, did not violate the wave principle. Sometimes the wave may be overlapping. In that case, you may be thinking of a zigzag pattern, a corrective wave. You will see 5 waves in a corrective wave, okay? And they will be overlapping. In this case, you will know that this is not an impulsive wave. You can't wave like I did on the 10-minute chart. You go to the higher time frame, do your verification. Especially you want to sell at the end of the fifth wave, verify whether are we at the resistance level. Don't sell at the support level unless the price break below the support level, retest it, and turn around. Anytime you receive, you are using a trading system, a trading strategy, or a robot says to you, buy here, all right? Yeah, they fire a signal and you don't know how the robot is working. Do yourself a favor, check on the high time frame. This robot, are you giving me the signal at a valid support level, at a key level? Okay, at least that simple verification will help you to filter out a false signal and also to make excellent day trading and swing trading decisions. For traders that want to join us, you need to remember that I do not give signal to traders, okay, like other traders. I teach traders, okay, the things that they need to know, okay, to make excellent, okay, decisions, okay. So if you are one of these traders, okay, join us on our website, okay, and okay, watch our video on YouTube, George Leo channel, 24 Elliott channel, Day Pro Trader channel, subscribe, okay, share our video with your friends so we may have another market. Hope you have learned something from this video also, okay, and we put it to use, okay, to make excellent day trading and swing trading decisions. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW 24 traders. Speak to you soon.